Hello everyone, this is me Sharon. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this hair clip, and the flower is just very easy to make. You can add some beads in the center to make it look more attractive, or you can add some buttons. So in these ones I have used a button. For these two, I have used a pearl bead. So you can use whatever you have there in your home. And of course, if you'd like it to be a bit bigger, you can use a 4mm hook kind of yarn. So this one is medium weight. This one is the crochet thread. And I have made one in blue, and this one is done using the 4-ply in the fill acrylic yarn. So these two are made of acrylic, and this one is made of cotton. So for this kind of project, of course, you will need some hair clips, the blank ones, and you can use whatever kind of clips that you have. So I don't know what this is called, but this is the ones that I have bought a few years ago, and I still keep it, and good thing it became useful today. So I'm using it for this particular flower, which is smaller, and then this one is a bit bigger, and I have used this particular blank hair clip that you can buy at a craft store that sells fabric and other crafts. So I also bought them a few years ago. So anyway guys, if you'd like to know how to make it, please watch until the end of this video, and of course do not forget to click on subscribe, because I have lots of projects that I have showed, not only in making flowers, but also if you'd like to see some of my purses and bag projects, you can check on my playlist or in my previous video. Alright, so this is what it looks like after you finish working the flower and adding buttons. So in these two, I have added some black buttons because I like the combination of black and pink. And then this one, I used pearl beads. So you can use pearl beads and other beads that you have there. And it looks adorable. I didn't attach it with glue because glue might come off. So what I did is just I sewed it as well to make it sturdy and so that it doesn't come off. They don't come off. So I did the same thing in this one. So to make sure it will not easily fall off this hair clip.